In recent years, there have been several fascinating incidents of orcas, commonly known as killer whales, displaying aggressive behavior towards ships, leading to significant damage or even sinking vessels. These incidents have raised numerous questions surrounding the motivations behind such behavior. This video aims to explore the possible reasons behind orca attacks on ships and highlight real-life examples to shed light on this intriguing phenomenon. Understanding the orcas. Orcas, or scientifically referred to as Orcanus orca, are highly intelligent and social marine mammals found in oceans across the globe. Known for their distinctive black and white appearance and impressive hunting abilities, these magnificent creatures have always captured the imagination of humans. However, recent events have shown a darker side to orca behavior, as they have demonstrated aggression towards ships. In 2009, a Spanish naval training vessel named the Infanta Elena was attacked by orcas off the coast of Spain. The orcas reportedly rammed the ship, causing significant damage to its rudder and propellers. This incident prompted a temporary ban on sailing in the area. Orcas have sunk 3 boats in Europe and appear to be teaching others to do the same. But why? Orcas have attacked and sunk a 3rd boat off the Iberian coast of Europe, and experts now believe the behavior is being copied by the rest of the population. 3 orcas, also known as killer whales, struck the yacht on the night of May 4th in the Strait of Gibraltar, off the coast of Spain, and pierced the rudder. There were 2 smaller and 1 larger orca, Skipper Werner Schaufelberger told the German publication Yacht. The little ones shook the rudder at the back, while the big one repeatedly backed up and rammed the ship with full force from the side. Schaufelberger said he saw the smaller orcas imitate the larger one. The 2 little orcas observed the bigger one's technique and, with a slight run-up, they too slammed into the boat. Spanish Coast Guards rescued the crew and towed the boat to Barbate, but it sank at the port entrance. 2 days earlier, a pod of 6 orcas assailed another sailboat navigating the strait. Greg Blackburn, who was aboard the vessel, looked on as a mother orca appeared to teach her calf how to charge into the rudder. It was definitely some form of education, teaching going on, Blackburn told 9 News. Reports of aggressive encounters with orcas off the Iberian coast began in May 2020 and are becoming more frequent, according to a study published June 2022 in the journal Marine Mammal Science. Assaults seem to be mainly directed at sailing boats and follow a clear pattern, with orcas approaching from the stern to strike the rudder, then losing interest once they have successfully stopped the boat. The spike in aggression towards boats is a recent phenomenon, Lopez Fernandez said. Researchers think that a traumatic event may have triggered a change in the behavior of one orca, which the rest of the population has learned to imitate. The orcas are doing this on purpose, of course. We don't know the origin or the motivation, but defensive behavior based on trauma as the origin of all this gains more strength for us every day, Lopez Fernandez said. Orcas are social creatures that can easily learn and reproduce behaviors performed by others, according to the 2022 study. In the majority of reported cases, orcas have made a beeline for a boat's rudder and either bitten, bent, or broken it. We do not interpret that the orcas are teaching the young, although the behavior has spread to the young vertically, simply by imitation and later horizontally among them, because they consider it something important in their lives, Lopez Fernandez said. Factors contributing to orcas' aggressive behavior. 1. Food depletion, changes in marine ecosystem dynamics, including overfishing and climate change, have resulted in a decline of some prey species, forcing orcas to adapt their hunting patterns. This scarcity of traditional prey may lead them to perceive ships as potential sources of food. 2. Protective instincts. Orcas have strong familial bonds and operate in complex social groups called pods. It is possible that they perceive ships as threats to their pod, leading to defensive behavior and aggression. 3. Noise pollution. Ships generate high levels of underwater noise pollution, which can disrupt the sensitive auditory systems of orcas and cause distress. In an attempt to protect themselves or communicate their discomfort, orcas may resort to aggressive behaviors. The 2018 incident off Portugal. The crew of the yacht My Song reported a terrifying encounter with orcas off the coast of Portugal. The orcas were observed repeatedly ramming the vessel's hull, leading to its eventual sinking. This incident raised concerns about sailor safety and prompted further investigation. mitigating orcas' aggression, avoidance strategies. Maritime organizations and authorities can raise awareness among sailors about areas frequented by orcas to help them modify routes accordingly. By identifying and avoiding regions where orcas are more likely to be present, the potential for aggressive encounters can be reduced. Noise reduction. The shipping industry can adopt quieter engine technologies and implement measures to mitigate underwater noise pollution. By minimizing acoustic disturbances, ships can avoid triggering aggressive responses from orcas. Conservation and research. It is crucial to continue studying orcas' behavior and monitor their populations. Conservation efforts, such as the establishment of marine protected areas, can help protect their natural habitats and allow these magnificent creatures to thrive without feeling threatened by human activities. The 2019 incident off Canada. In one of the most notable cases, an orca known as Tahlequah captivated global attention in 2018 when she carried her dead calf for 17 days, displaying immense grief. In 2019, a similar orcapod in the same region began targeting boats, damaging sailboats by ramming their hulls. Scientists speculated that the orcas may have been experiencing heightened stress due to the loss of their young, leading to more aggressive behavior. In a rare occurrence, a sailboat named Pink Gin was attacked by a group of orcas near Cape Horn, the southernmost tip of South America. The orcas damaged the boat's rudder, resulting in a dangerous situation for the crew. This incident sparked further curiosity among researchers and sailors alike, seeking to understand the motivations behind such targeted aggression. A phenomenon of orcas attacking and sinking ships is an intriguing and complex issue that demands further investigation and understanding. While the reasons behind these incidents are not yet definitively established, the depletion of prey, protective instincts, noise pollution, and environmental changes are all potential contributing factors. By implementing careful navigational strategies, reducing noise pollution, and promoting conservation efforts, we can work towards minimizing conflicts and ensuring the harmonious coexistence of humans and these extraordinary marine creatures. It is our responsibility to protect and respect the natural habitats of orcas, maintaining an awe-inspiring balance between human activities and the creatures that inhabit our oceans. As the number of incidents grows, there is increased concern both for sailors and for the Iberian orca subpopulation, which is listed as critically endangered by the IUCN Red List. The last census, in 2011, recorded just 39 Iberian orcas, according to the 2022 study. If this situation continues or intensifies, it could become a real concern for the mariners' safety and a conservation issue for this endangered subpopulation of killer whales. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future content. And if you or anyone you know has encountered a vicious orca attack, please feel free to let me know in the comments section.